Hi everyone, so today I've just come to share with you two more projects that I've done. There is journals within it, but these are altered paper bags, and I've used ARTYmaze's Foxglove digital kit, and I will link that below. So I've made two, they're more or less the same, just some of the tags and the little journaling cards are a little bit different in each one. The bags measure 9 by 6, that's 9 that way, 6 that way. Originally the bags were, I think it was 9 by 6, but obviously you fold the bottom over to create this pocket. Everything is from ARTYmaze in this, apart from some tags that I've made, and they are just like coffee dyed tags. There's lots of crocheted trim, and I'm making sure I'm in frame here, and even these little word like, what do you call them, like book plates, they're a freebie from ARTYmaze, and you can find them on her website and also on her Facebook group. And let me go inside. These will both be available in my shop if you're interested. So you get a journal, and the journal is blank inside, so you can decorate that. What I've done to create the cover is it's a little bit rusticy. I've used a paper bag, but in between the paper bag is cardstock, so it's a nice thicker cover. I've decorated the front with a, what do you call this thing? I call that again a topper. Got some crocheted trim, an image from that kit. Again, this is a freebie from ARTYmaze, and we've just got some trims here and some fabric there, and I will do a quick flip. I've used the same papers from the kit in each journal, but I think in the other one I've just moved the pages around a little bit. So all the papers are tea and coffee dyed. When I say tea and coffee, I mean I put tea and coffee in my water when I'm doing them. My digital papers are, when I print them out, I print on a laser, and then I coffee brush the water that I have in here, which I fill up daily. I do a fresh batch every day because I do actually go through quite a bit. So as you can see in here, there is blank pages and book pages and Edith Holden pages, dictionary pages, and lots of places to create what you do in. Everybody does different things in their journals. The journals measure 8 inches by 4.5. They have one signature, as you've just seen, and there is 64 pages in each one. So I'm just going to move that to one side, and then I'm just going to pull absolutely everything out of that. Dada. Right, so that is the bag. That is how I've decorated it. It's a gusseted bag, so you know it could possibly hold more than the journal, and even if you use your journal, this will still accommodate it, and then you can just keep other things in here if you choose to use all this to put in the journal, because you could just keep this and write things and just stuff it in the front and use the journal for something else. So I've made a little booklet with some of the journaling cards that you get, lovely images on this. There is 3 tags. They've all been backed onto cardstock. Cardstock is all white, but yeah, they're all been backed. Crocheted trim. I'm going to try and put these in as I go along. Then we have 2 other journal cards, again backed, and then they've got the this punch, which is a Stampin' Up punch, which is retired. An envelope from the kit, excuse me, and just a coffee dyed piece of paper in there for you to write in, and obviously you can stuff the envelope full of other things as well. We have a postcard, again that is from the kit. We have 2 of these. I just added these to kind of break up all the colours in this. Here we have a tag, a pocket tag, a tag pocket, whatever you call it, all been backed, and a tag inside there. Again, that's all from the kit. 2 large journaling cards, which have been journaling cards, I meant tags, that I've just made, so they pop in there. And then this is just from one of the pages, and I've just cut it down into a large tag. Again, that's been backed. I'm going to tuck that in there. And then this is another little piece from one of the pages. So I've kind of made that into like a bookmark. Or you can just journal on the back. It doesn't have to be a bookmark as such. So that is that one. I'll just pop that inside there. Right, onto the next one. Again, it's just very similar. Little booklet. 3 tags. And 2 of these tags, the envelope again with the paper in the back, 2 of these journal cards, a postcard, another one of these, 2 of these, and then that and that. And that's how it's decorated there. This one's called Memories, the other one is called Journey, and then this one is like that, and the papers are just more or less the same. Obviously the book pages, you're not going to get the book pages all the same, but they're all book pages of some sort. Dictionary pages, Edith Holden. Oh, this is from the old design shop, and that's me just knocking the camera. Just the other side of that, but it is more or less the same as the other one. It's just some of the images are a little bit different. I think I'll probably have one more video to do, and then I'm off on my holidays. I'm going away to Scotland for, I'm going to be away for 10 days in total, which is a long time. I haven't been away for 10 days before, I don't think. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. So I'm just trying to finish off what I've started before I go, and I do have things that I will be listing towards the end of my holiday, and just to keep me busy when I get back as well, like, you know, doing stuff and packing stuff up. But everything that's for sale between now and Sunday will be shipped off Monday morning. Yeah, Monday morning. So anything between now, which is Thursday the 12th, will be shipped off on Monday the 16th. Is that right? Yeah. So I would like to thank you all for all your lovely comments. I did find yesterday, I was absolutely shocked at this. I had gone on to YouTube, and I had a comment come up, and it said that it could possibly be spam. So I went into it, and I seen that I had something like 400 comments that was possibly spam. And you know what? There was one comment that was spam, and the rest weren't. And I see people with that problem, a month or 2 ago, and I thought I'd checked then, and I didn't see anything. But some of these comments go back a year. I was absolutely shocked at that. So I do apologise if you've commented on something and I haven't liked it, or if you've asked me a question and I haven't answered it. Especially like over a year. It wasn't because I was being ignorant, it's because I didn't see it. So I'll have to keep an eye on that, and I would suggest you all do that as well, because it seems like it must be something still happening. Yeah, so thanks for all your lovely comments, thanks for your support. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And that's another new thing with the notification bell. You have to go onto that now, and you've got 3 choices of how you want to be notified. So that's something else that's new with YouTube. So yeah, so if you have any questions about these, like I said, they'll be listed in my shop. If you have any questions about them, just ask, and thank you for watching. Bye.